Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 15cs0008ns. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Now, if your screen is cracked and the touch isn't responsive, you're likely facing a common issue. This can happen due to accidental drops or pressure on the screen, and if left unrepaired, it can lead to further damage not just to the screen but also to the internal components of your device. So, let's get started on the repair. For this task, you will need a replacement screen, a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and some tweezers. Make sure you have a clean, flat workspace to avoid losing any small parts during the process. First, we need to safely open the device. Begin by turning off the laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover, starting at one of the corners. Be careful not to apply too much force as this could damage the casing. Once the back cover is removed, locate the screen assembly. The issue typically lies with the LCD panel, which you can identify as the flat panel connected to the hinges. To extract the old screen, you will need to remove the screws securing it in place. These are usually small Phillips screws, and you should apply gentle pressure when unscrewing them to avoid stripping the heads. After removing the screws, carefully disconnect the display cable, which is usually a ribbon cable that you can pull out with your fingers or tweezers. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new screen and connect the display cable securely. Once it's in place, screw the new screen into the assembly using the screws you previously removed. Make sure it is firmly attached but avoid over-tightening. With the new screen secured, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Align the back cover carefully with the casing and press down gently until you hear a click, indicating that it's closed properly. Finally, power on your laptop and test the new screen to ensure everything is functioning as it should. If the touch sensitivity is working and the display is clear, congratulations, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from occurring again, consider using a protective case or screen protector. Avoid placing heavy items on top of your laptop and always handle it with care. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.